Welcome back to the channel, guys. So if you've been following what's been going on YouTube lately, you'll know that there's been this massive great blow up about kind of if you make children's content or content for kids or whatever, then you're going to face some problems monetizing your videos. So yeah, this is not going to be one of those videos where the creator just moans about how bad YouTube is and says that their channel's doomed. Mainly because I don't make kids content, but I do make a little bit of money on Adsense, so who knows whether this is going to affect that. Now, I've always said this about Adsense. Adsense is just a really easy way to make money. You haven't got to do anything. You can just turn monetization on and you can start making some money, which is great. I mean, what could be better than that? Get paid for making videos. Now, I'm not saying it's easy because you need a hell of a lot of video views to actually make any money on YouTube these days. Unfortunately, thanks to you guys watching my channel, this channel is actually starting to get to a stage where it's actually making pretty decent money. Enough to pay for some of the stuff I do on the channel anyway. But you see, the problem with making money on YouTube and making money with Adsense is you've got absolutely no control. They could just change the rules, turn it off, whatever. They could do what they like, and then it's gone. Now, if you're a big creator and you might be relying on that income to pay your mortgage, you could be screwed. But the funny thing is, if you realise something, none of the big creators are actually talking about this. And that's probably because when you get to a certain point on YouTube or in your career as a creator, Adsense actually starts to become irrelevant. The truth is, the bigger your following gets, the more other opportunities come along. Brand deals, product selling, merch, but that requires work. That's not as simple as just turning on monetization on your channel. And that's what I think a lot of smaller channels don't realise. Oh yeah, how you doing? Thanks for that, see ya. They don't realise that Adsense is the easy option. It's the low-hanging fruit. Its days are numbered. The truth is, you really don't need a massive audience to make a living from the thing that you love doing. You just need to give the audience that you do have the opportunity to support you, whether that's by offering something of value like a product or maybe a service, or even partner with a brand that aligns with your values. There's dozens out there. So if you're worried about this Adsense Adpocalypse 2, or whatever people are calling it, stop moaning about it and get creative, because if this is your livelihood, then it's your business. So you need to have a backup plan. Look at it this way, YouTube and Google are multi-billion-dollar companies, and mostly they hold out a carrot on a stick to creators like you and me, because they say, hey guys, look, you can make videos, you can get paid for them, and maybe you're going to get like $2 or something per 1,000 clicks if you're lucky. It kind of sounds good on paper, but at the end of the day, it's their terms, their rules. If they go and screw something up like they have done with this whole Coppa saga, guess who's going to pay for it? It's not going to be them. So what can you do if you find yourself caught up in this whole Adsense restructuring mess? Well, firstly, if you're getting views on your videos, then you need to realise what that's worth. Seriously, lots of views are worth a lot to a brand, and brands literally pay out thousands to advertise their service or their product. So how about getting out there, finding those brands and cutting deals directly with them? Just cut out the middleman. And if you've got your own product to offer your brands, even better. I don't mean crappy merch. Don't get me wrong, it's not all about the money for me. Nobody should start YouTube thinking they're going to get rich. You know, it's not going to happen unless you spend 10 years of relentlessly pushing videos out, by which point you've built yourself a brand anyway, so you're probably doing all right. Most of us just make videos for the love of it, and any money is a bonus. But for me, I want to push my channel. I want to sort of take it to new levels. I want to invest more into the projects that I'm doing and bring you better content. So for me, it's important that my channel stands up on its own 2 feet and can pay for itself. Otherwise, I'm constantly putting my hand in my pocket to pay for it. And it can get really expensive if you don't have an income to kind of counteract that. I've been in business for about 15 years. As much as I love working for myself, it's had its ups and downs. You know, you're constantly having to adjust to changes in the business world. Lots of stuff happens and you just have to make changes. No matter how hard you try, nothing's forever. And when one income closes, there's probably a new one around the corner. You've just got to find it. And that's really the message I've been trying to get across in this stupid little video. You can't rely on one thing. And hopefully that might encourage some of you creators out there that are feeling really deflated by this whole thing. Anyway guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this one. Normal service will be resuming in the next video, and I'll catch you in the next one.